To clock in using Workday Mobile, start by opening the Workday application on your mobile device. If you have not already, download and install the Workday mobile app from the App Store. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to enter your company login credentials, including your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Time and Attendance section of the app. This is usually located on the main dashboard or under a Time Off or My Time tab. Depending on your company's configuration, you may need to select your workgroup or team to proceed. Once you have accessed the Time and Attendance section, look for the Clock In button. This button may be labeled as Clock In, Start Shift, or a similar phrase. Tap the Clock In button to initiate the clock in process. You will then be prompted to select the job or role you are clocking in for, as well as the work location. Make sure to select the correct job and location to ensure accurate time tracking. After selecting your job and location, you may be asked to enter any additional information, such as a task or project code. This information is used to track your time and activities throughout the day. Once you have entered all required information, tap the Confirm or Submit button to complete the clock in process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully clocked in. Throughout the day, you can use the Workday mobile app to track your time, take breaks, and switch between tasks or jobs. To clock out, simply navigate back to the Time and Attendance section and tap the Clock Out button. Best practices for using Workday Mobile to clock in include ensuring you have a stable internet connection, regularly updating the app to the latest version, and double-checking that you have selected the correct job and location. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and accurately track your time using Workday Mobile.